All right, just a quick video to show you guys on the Accord battery relocation kit. As you can see here, there's a few things that we have changed on the battery tray itself. We have made it to work for the Accord and as well as for the TSX. So if you're going to get in one for the Accord, there's going to be an extra hole here, and as well if you get one for the TSX. So I'm going to really quickly cover this, that way you guys can see it, and that way if you have an extra hole here, you're not just going to be wondering. So one thing about the battery boxes that we do is we slot them back and forth, so you can see here. So if you have a big tire you're trying to run, you can move it forward, or if you have a fog light with the big LED in the back, you can push it back. So you can see here, it's a little tight, but I got the bolt tight a little bit. So you can see here how it works. So one thing on the Accord is these are going to be your mine points. So you got one here in the bottom, you got another one here, and the last one here, which is up here in the top, which is going to be holding the battery. Okay, that one is going to need a self tapper screw, or I am going to give it with what's the right word over here? I'm trying to lose it. I'm trying to get it. It's the rib nut. So you can put it here, you drill the hole, and then you put a rib nut here in the back. So it will come with the kit. So you get this one, and the one up here is going to be a rib nut. Okay. Once again, this one's going to be for the TSX. So you can leave this open if you really wanted to put one there to hold it for more. But honestly, it's not going to be necessary. One thing with the Accord, and same thing as the TSX, you are going to have to shave the bottom portion right here. So quickly show you guys. Don't mind me, I'm moving the phone. So you can see here, we have shaved this completely flat, so that way the battery box can sit there. So you can see here how it sits. So that is the only thing that we had to shave off, so that way the battery can actually fit there with no problem. So do keep that in mind. That's the only thing you're gonna have to do, is shave that off. And then other than that, you can see here, I will throw the battery on here for you guys. Mind this, I'm doing this with one hand. Yeah. So let me see if I can get it here for you guys. So there you go, how it goes. Okay. And then it grabs onto, let me see, there you go. And then once again, you can put the rib nut, or you can put a self-tapping screw. But I hope that you can put the self-tapping screw, the rib nut that I'm gonna be giving to you. Okay, so you can see here, that's how it goes. And you're gonna be able to relocate the battery on your Accord. Fairly simple. And then the wiring, it is gonna be the same thing as for the TSX. I have the video there, I'll put it there on the website that you can watch it, and that way you can see how all the wiring is run. The wire length is all the same, we have checked it, but I'm just doing a late night video here to show you guys how everything is going, in case you have a question once you mount your battery relocation kit. Okay, so you can see here, fairly easy to come out and put back on. So hopefully the video was helpful, and it will answer some of your questions. All right, so thank you guys.